Hello everyone, I'm really glad to see you again in today's video. If you're looking for a way to optimize your design models while still keeping things realistic in rendering, then you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to convert a grapefruit tree model from SketchUp into the Enscape Asset library, an incredibly effective way to make your models lighter, render smoother, and still maintain crisp professional visuals. This conversion will allow you to quickly drag and drop the tree into any project without worrying about file size or performance issues. Ready? Let's get started. Before jumping into the conversion process, take a few minutes to double-check the model you're working with. Make sure it's fully completed, with no technical issues like missing faces, reversed faces, incorrect or inconsistent materials. Next, go to File, Export 3D Model. You can export to any folder, but I usually save it in the same location as the SketchUp file to keep things organized. Make sure you export in FBX format. In the export options, select the correct units, meters or millimeters, and adjust other settings accordingly to preserve model integrity. Now, go ahead and select the entire model. Then, go to the V-Ray toolbar and click on Export Proxy. This is a crucial step to optimize your model before adding it to the Enscape Asset library. In the Export Settings window, you'll see an option called Faces in Preview. This determines the level of detail shown in the SketchUp preview. For this model, I'll set it to 3000, an ideal number that keeps the model lightweight enough for smooth performance, while still detailed enough for you to recognize what kind of tree it is. Finally, click Export and wait for the export process to complete. Once your proxy model is ready, export it again, this time as an FBX file. Save it in the same folder and add a proxy suffix to the file name to avoid confusion with the original FBX file. Now open the Enscape Asset library and click the plus button to create a new asset. Expand the interface window for better visibility and smoother workflow. On the right panel, click Import Geometry and locate the FBX file you exported earlier. Wait for the model to load in the preview window, then we'll move on to editing the materials. Just below, you'll see a list of all the materials used in the model. The next step is quite simple but extremely important. Just reload the original textures, and instantly, your model will look much more vibrant and realistic. You'll notice familiar parameters like type, albedo, height map, and reflection. If you've worked with Enscape materials before, these should be very familiar. So I won't go into detailed explanations for each setting, just to save time. Now, let's see how I edit the materials to get the best possible visual result. After material editing is complete, click the camera icon to capture a thumbnail. This will be used to display your asset visually in the Enscape library. Now link the proxy FBX model. Navigate to the folder where you saved the file with the orange proxy suffix. Click Show in Preview to see how it looks inside SketchUp. If everything looks good, hit Save Changes and Export. That's it, the conversion is complete. Pretty straightforward, right? Now let's launch Enscape and take a look at the result after the conversion. Just drag and drop the jackfruit tree model into your scene, quickly align it with the grid, and in less than a minute, you've got a perfectly placed row of trees with the right scale and ready to render. The best part? The model is super lightweight. Even when working on a large, detailed scene, the file remains smooth, no stuttering, no lag, and you still get excellent visual quality in Enscape. If you'd like to go through the process yourself, or customize the model to your own style, I've included the download link for the original SketchUp file and all materials in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss out on future tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.